Hey, rock stars. Javon is cooking Father's Day meal for his dad. And what you making?
Alfredo.
He gonna make Alfredo. And we're putting the chicken in the oven, and then he gonna break it up and put it in the noodles when it's done. Come on, Jay. Grab your seasonings.
So we're gonna start
His garlic powder.
with some garlic.
Just sprinkle on top. All right, next. That's put it.
Some.
It got different. This is dried vegetables in here. The other way. Yeah, it's a grinder. All around, all around, all around. The other one. Open it and sprinkle on top. This is herbs de Provence. Herbs de Provence.
You Frenchman? Okay, we got some.
Red peppers, it light, because that's spicy. Light.
Oh.
The other side. Wait, no, that's that side. Not a lot. Alright, good.
Now that's good.
And then pepper. We're gonna grind some pepper on there. Go. Alright. And we're gonna put this in the oven, 350 for until it hits 165. It could be, these are thawed out, so it can be, you know, an hour or more. We don't know the time, but we're gonna until reach 165. And then he's gonna make the noodles and put the sauce and shred this in, and we'll show you the process. We added a little rosemary, y'all, and I'm gonna add bay leaves in here. And normally you would add bay leaves and then take them out of the food. You don't eat them, but these are so small that they absorb the moisture, I guess, and you don't have to worry about taking them out of the food. And a little bit of salt. We're gonna add a little bit of salt because we don't really add salt to our food anymore. That's the chicken all done. And he's about to chop it up, put it in the pan with the sauce. We just have
Not even ready.
Alfredo from this. Wash your hands. And so you can put this chicken in the pan. Yeah, like chop it up or shred it. No, slice it. The other pieces.
Here, can you do that?
This is so tender. And it smells so good. You want to taste it? Here, hold this. Hold this phone. And show the chicken. It's juicy and tender. It's dark in here, so you can't really see. But here.
Mom, you got another curtain?
You can try it. Go.
Mom.
What?
Mom.
You want a curtain? You want to try a piece of it? Heisty. And let me know.
I like that.
Good? This is Javon's meal. Alright, so Javon was supposed to do this. Cook his Father's Day meal, but he left. So, is this on? Oh, that must be the oven. Oh, the oven's still on. So you got the shredded. You just chop it up. Put it in the pan after you season it and bake it. And then put your sauce in the pan with the chicken. And then you'll add some more sauce later on. But I love when hubby. But you made Alfredo from scratch, right? One time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the best way to do it. If you know how to make it from scratch, that's the best way to do it. But the jar is fine. So that's how it's gonna look, and then I'll come back. Oh, I put it down and then pause it. Add the same seasonings you use for the chicken into your sauce and noodles because it just needs a little oomph to it, okay? Oh, Javon cooked it. Go ahead. Javon putting the oomph in it. Wait, not a lot. A tiny bit because it got sauce already in there.
This is
Shake it up. He put his sauce. Doing a good job. Javon could cook. That chicken is good. Now you just stir the goodness. My camera's a little blurry. I hope y'all can see it, but all right. Javon served his daddy his Father's Day food. Marie's gonna be my taste it. Tell me how it really tastes. So Javon cooked it. It don't take that long to process. Good.